Okay. Right. Question 3. Two brothers share £80 in the ratio of 1 to 4. How much does each brother receive? Well, we need to see all the shares in total. We've got 5 shares in total. Okay. So the £80 then gets divided amongst these 5 shares. So 80 divided by 5. Okay. Now to work that out, we could use the bus stop method. 5 into 8 goes once, and there's a remainder of 3. 5 into 30 then goes 6 times, so 16. So one share is worth £16. Now when you look at this then split here, the one brother will receive the 1 share, which is £16. The other brother then will receive 4 shares. 4 lots of 16 will be £64. So you can leave your answer like that in a ratio, okay? So that's why I would leave that there. Part B then, to make pink paint, red paint and white paint are mixed together in this ratio, 2 to 5. Mike has 600 ml of white paint, unlimited quantity of red paint. Find the largest quantity of pink paint that Mike can make. Okay, so he is restricted, because although he's got unlimited red paint, he's only got 600 ml of white paint, so he's restricted in what he can do. We need to remember here that 2 parts white going in that order, and 2 parts red and 5 parts white going in that order there. So red to start with, then white. So 2 parts red, 5 parts white. 5 parts would represent, or 5 shares would represent 600 millilitres. Okay, so what we can do then is work out what 1 part of paint would be worth there. So 1 part would be worth 600 divided by 5. Okay, that's how we'd write that. And again, we could go for the bus stop method. 5 into 6 goes once, remainder 1. 5 into 10 goes twice, remainder 0. And then 5 into 0 goes 0 times. So 1 part is 120 mils. Okay, so if we've got 600 mils of white, there'll be 2 parts then of red. And seeing as we know 1 part is worth 120 mils, 2 parts will be worth 240 mils. So in total, pink paint will consist of 240 of red and 600 of white, which is 840 mils. Okay, part C then. A train takes 3 hours 30 minutes to travel a distance of 168 miles. Calculate average speed. So we need to know speed is distance over time. Okay, the average speed is the average total distance over the total time. So the total distance is 168. Now in terms of time, 3 hours 30 minutes. We don't want to write 3 hours 30 minutes here. We write it as 3.5. Okay, that's the best way to do that. 3.5. Okay. To divide this with a calculator, right, what I would do is I would change the bottom, scale it. Okay, so on the bottom there, maybe double it. 3.5, if we double it, you get 7. So we do the same to the top, double it. 168, double it. If you do that, you get 336 if you take your time and double that there. Yeah, so 336 and divide by 7. Not so straightforward, but if you use the bus stop method, work it out. 5 into 3 doesn't go. 5 into 33 goes, 7 into 3 doesn't go. 7 into 33 goes 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28, so 5 remainder, and then 7 into 56 goes 8 times. So you get 48 miles per hour.